Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 20 Pro, and today I will show you how you can customize Always On Display. And first we have to open Settings, select Home Screen and the Lock Screen from the list, and then go for the Always On Display feature. Right now we have to turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and at the first we can change style of our Always On Display. So as you can see here, we got the couple of the themes. Here we got the couple of default themes. For example, I'm going to put this one. And when we tap on the plus, we can also edit and create our own theme. So here we can type something like HardReset.Info. And to confirm, we have to tap on the marker. Here we can draw something here. I don't know even what it is. And we can change color of the captions. Click on the right upper corner to confirm, and as you can see, there it is. So there is our custom theme. We can also set up the default, whatever you want. For example, let's go for this one. Here we can change the schedule time, so we can display from 7 AM, for example, to 2 AM, and we can also enable the charging display. And right now when we lock our screen, take a look how it looks. I turned it on the schedule, so right now it's not going to be display, but when I'm going to turn it off, right now it will be appears on the screen. Wait, am I wrong, or I did something? Okay, right now it is. So my bad, guys, sorry. So that's how we can customize and set up Always On Display in this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.